Hi. Okay, on APAC, very similar to Claire. Um, our goals actually very different from Claire. Claire decided that they're going to change some of their definition. We're actually reversed. We're sticking to our definition from 2023 and then doing the same thing, utilizing the same three OKR themes for 2024 as well. But before we go into 2024, just to show you what it was that we're trying to do in 2023, well, our three themes are around research, training, and communication, right? And what we've been able to accomplish last year. So very proud of the fact that we created a new scientific forum where folks are able to come in and discuss anything that's tied to the implementation of OMA. And then we've had 41 publications, right? We were trying to train folks on how to do studies, and we, for the first time, participated in a global, as the SOS challenge. We ran one in APAC, which is very, very complex and was great. From a communicational perspective, again, very proud. I'm going to keep talking about it. We got 2 Titan Awards. Okay. So, and we continue to have our, community calls. Our volume of people are going up. We're constantly, our newsletters, hopefully folks are reading those. If you don't have them, sign up and you can get those. And as always, we held our APAC symposium, and that one was in the beautiful city of Sydney. Perfect weather last year. Okay. So if we go into 2024, which is, thank you. Again, our themes are the same, but our objective in each one is a little bit different. Under research, instead of training now, we wanted to conduct another SOS challenge in APAC, right? So we learned how to do it last year. Now we want to do it ourselves this year. We also want to try to replicate Cindy's SOS challenge in the US and see if we can do that on our own without so much help, right? So training wise, we want to do more in-person stuff. So having more in-person training in APAC now that COVID is over. Let's get ourselves sick with flu or other viruses, right? So we're trying to do 2 of those. Actually, one of them is being planned in Thailand in April right now, tentatively, and we have to figure out when the second one is. We also want to figure out how to train the APAC community on more research through the SOS challenges that we're going to do under the research side. From the communication perspective, we are going to do exactly the same thing we did last year. The theme, though, in our community call, now very similar to Claire, is actually trying to understand and collaborate with other working groups. So our theme is actually inviting a bunch of the working groups that the APAC team wants to know about to talk to us about what's going on. For example, Claire talked about the data network quality working group, right? She's coming over, I think, tomorrow, right, Claire, to talk to us about that and what you guys are doing. So we have a lot of collaboration that we're trying to form there. Okay, if you can go to our next slide. So if I've told you things that you might be interested, like the on-site trainings, help us with that. Sign up for our working group. This is a list of when our community calls are, as well as our scientific forums. Our scientific forums, we would love to get more topics from folks as to what they're talking about. So again, it's not just around the research side. Like last year, we had Anna come and speak to us. Thank you, Anna. 3 separate times about the vocabulary and how to update vocabulary, because that's something everybody was interested in, right? So if you have an interest in either joining us as one of our speakers to talk about what your working groups are doing, or even what you guys are doing, please reach out to us. And if you have an interest in even listening to our stuff, come sign up and join us.